The next workshop takes on from the shaping of things to the shaping of poems using sound and movement. For example, what I'd like you to do is to go into a woodland, usually at dawn, dawn's best, and listen really carefully to just one part of the woodland, maybe just to one species of bird, and try to notate in a notebook exactly what you hear, exactly how it sounds, but also try to observe how that bird moves, flits, scutters, flies, swoops, and record in your eye the rhythm, if you like, of the bird's movement. Now the whole point of this is then to try to replicate in verse, in a poem, the movement of the bird and the rhythm of the bird's call in exactly the way that the bird sounds in the natural world. I've got two poems to illustrate this. The first one is called Long-tailed Tit, and it's trying to impersonate the movement of the bird's nest, but also the movement of the long-tailed tit's call. And here it goes. Long-tailed tit. A nursery ball with a bell inside, blown through branches, a bauble with a tail peals in its bell of lichen. There's another way of shaping poems using the sound of the natural world, and that's one I particularly enjoy. And it's when you raid field guides and bird books, snail guides and that kind of stuff for information and find sounds and shapes that describe the noise that these animals make, and you use those as the basis for the rhythm and the metre of the poem itself. So for example, in this poem Goldcrest, I actually taken the song of a goldcrest from the Collins Field Book of Birds, and the description in there of the goldcrest sound is this. It goes cedar, 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 sisu si, and that's the metre of each of these lines as a male and a female goldcrest court each other. Goldcrests. She sings light, he sings lightly from the pine-needled nest cup. He shifts lightly, she shifts light among the burrs in the nest cup. How slightly, how very slight, the sky shrinks to their eggshell hue. How slight, how very slightly light wakes on their eggshell hue. He sees lightly, she sees light in the pine needle dark. She sang light, he sang lightly among the cedars in the dark.